Hey y'all, how's it going today? This evening I am going to make a pie that I have never made. Let's get started. So in my bowl I have 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese. We are making this peanut butter pie. It sounded so good. 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, and mix until it's light and fluffy, and it says for about 3 minutes. That's what that looks like, all mixed up. Part 2 of our filling, I have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream in this bowl. And then I am going to add, let's see here, the vanilla and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now we are going to mix this together until it's light and fluffy and stiff peaks start to form. That is what you want it to look like. Now we are going to fold both of these together.
Okay.
See if I can do this with one hand. Probably not very easy. But you just want to fold it in there. Don't stir it. I have my mixtures folded together. I'm just going to put them in this pie crust. Now on here, it shows you how to make their pie crust, but I could not find the chocolate graham crackers, and I really did not feel like I had the time. So I just grabbed a regular pre-made chocolate pie crust. Just put it right in there, just like that. I'm going to start smoothing this out.
Isn't it supposed to be creamy?
That's what it should look like. We're going to decorate the top with this and with Reese's Minis. Look at how pretty. You're doing a good job. My little helper over here is helping me decorate, and I will show y'all the end result in just a minute. And there we go. Didn't she do a really beautiful job? Now we're gonna put it in our fridge for about 3 hours in the freezer or 6 hours in the fridge. Everybody in this house is impatient, so it's gonna go in the freezer for 3 hours.